We dared to do something that perhaps others wouldn't do. I have a few memories. I mean, academically, Psych 101 is a very warm memory. That's our freshman year class where we first met.
Now, we met in Psych 101, but we didn't like each other.
Noted.
And so the memory is that we didn't like each other, and here we are roughly, 30 years later, and we like each other now.
If you look at our story, we took the foundation that Vanderbilt gave us, the confidence that Vanderbilt gave us, the education that it gave us, and we dared to do something that perhaps others wouldn't do.
Sarah and I, in 2016, acquired the Colony Hotel in Palm Beach.
With no hospitality background, no previous experience, which some would have said was, audacious or crazy, but we dared to grow. There is so much that excites me about Vanderbilt coming to West Palm Beach. West Palm Beach is at such an interesting juncture right now. The rapid growth and expansion that's happening in our community is absolutely extraordinary.
And it goes all the way back to the roots of Cornelius Vanderbilt, finding that university in Nashville. Here we are today in Palm Beach County, where Vanderbilt is bringing into this community the first major institution of international scale that's going to bring huge gust of wind into an already incredibly vibrant and dynamic growth point in West Palm Beach. How could we not be on that train trying to support that growth?
When Vanderbilt comes to West Palm Beach, it's going to immerse itself, the students and the institution will immerse itself in the community here, and it will really be transformational.
We will bring highly educated undergraduates and graduates through programming here that ultimately puts them out into this community and into this workforce and creates the ability for us to have real depth of the employment market across industries in a manner that isn't as natural today and is effectively imported today.